Okay everyone, welcome back again to another Foxtecc video. This time we talk about the iPad and how you can make the brightness really low. Now obviously you of course know that when you swipe down from the upper right corner you have the brightness slider. So yeah, you can of course make it go up and down, but if you just go all the way to 0, which I'm not going to because you will not be able to see the video properly, but it may happen to you that you actually want to go beyond that. And there are some options, not really official or anything, but there are some things. The first option is to reduce white point, which is something you can look up. You can literally just find it in here. It's part of the accessibility, and if you go to the accessibility and display and text size, you should be able to find the reduce the white point, which essentially reduces the intensity of bright colors. So when you click on that, it tries to make it go even below. So this is another brightness slider which you can combine with this one. It is not connected to the actual brightness slider, so it depends on what you want to do, but in case you want to make the brightness even lower, the reducing of the white point may be the option for you. Besides that, what you should also have enabled is the zoom feature, and I'm going to show you exactly in just a second. And this may seem like it has nothing to do with the brightness or anything, but if you have the zoom feature turned on, you can do is now that you can actually perform gestures. So for example, you have the double tap with 3 fingers, you have the dragging, or you have 3 fingers double tap. So yeah, for example, if you use your 3 fingers and triple tap, you go like this. Now you can go ahead and choose filters. When you go to the filters, for whatever reason it just glitched, so let me do it again. So you choose filter and you can choose low light, which again makes the brightness a little bit lower irregardless of what you have in here. So if you combine these options like reducing white point and the zoom filters, you can actually make your iPad even lower when it comes to the brightness. So yeah, that's about it. Hope you found this video useful. If you did, hit the thumbs up, subscribe below, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out until then.